Hello viewers, I'm Rohit Khurana from Intellect Digest India. Today I'm going to give you a quick unboxing, box content and build quality review of the Samsung Galaxy Y Duos Lite. I'll show you the ports and different physical aspects of this phone and show you how good the build quality is. Let's start with the unboxing first. The first thing that you find in the box is the Samsung Galaxy Duos Lite. This is Galaxy Y, which is the entry level smartphone from Samsung, and now this comes with dual SIM support. This is why it's called Duos, and this model is the Duos Lite, which is 5302. Let us see what all comes in the box. There's a battery. This is a 1200 mAh lithium ion battery, which gives you a talk time of approximately 4 hours, which is decent enough for a entry level phone. In this you get a charger. This is the micro USB. You also get a data cable, which is again USB to micro USB. Good thing is that they have kept the charger as well as data cable separate, so it comes in handy. You can also charge your phone with data cable using your laptops, etc. And also there are these headsets. These are 3.5mm standard headsets which come with in-ear earphones, and the build quality seems nice. There is no volume control button on the earpiece, this microphone piece, but there is a button to pick up and cut the calls. Let me quickly show you the build quality. Let us remove this cover and the back cover and show you how this actually looks like. So this one is in black. The back is glossy. The feel is plasticky at the back. Front seems nice. There is chrome bezel all around the screen. The screen size seems quite small, which is 2.8-inch diagonal and has a display resolution of 240 by 320. I'll quickly boot on the phone and show you the display resolution as well in a few seconds. Let me quickly run you through what all is there on the phone. This is the normal speaker mesh. On the top you have a 3.5mm audio jack. Here you have a USB connector port, so you can just flip it open. From here you can do the data charging, data transfer as well as charging. On the rear you have a camera which is 2 megapixel without flash, and there is no front facing camera here. At the bottom you have a physical home key, a menu key, a back key here. On the right hand side you have a power or wake up key. On the left hand side you have volume rockers. On the bottom you have no buttons, etc. There is some mic probably here in the hole. Let us open the back cover. Here it goes. So opening the back cover, you see there is a slot for micro SD card on the side, and it has option to add 2 SIMs. This is for SIM card 1 and this is for SIM card 2. So there are 2 SIM slots at the back. And pretty much it. Let us put in the battery and boot the phone. In the meanwhile, I'll walk you through the specifications of the phone. It runs quad band GSM networks, dual band 3G networks. It has dual SIM support, which is dual standby, so both the SIMs remain active, but when you are talking on one of the SIMs, at that time the other SIM will go into network out of network mode. It weighs around 103 grams. The thickness is 13 millimeter. The length and width are 103 and 57.9 millimeters respectively. It has a 3 GB internal memory, out of which around 1 GB is available to the user. It runs Gingerbread out of the box, which is the version 2.3, and it has an ARM processor of 832 MHz. You can add an external SD card of up to 32 GB in this phone. Let us quickly go to the boot screen and show you how this phone looks like on the interface. So here we come. This is the main screen. And as you can see, there is some level of lag in this phone right from the boot. We have not installed any application, just came out of the box, and the screen size is quite small. This phone comes just under 7,000 rupees, supports dual SIM, runs Android 2.3 out of the box, has an 800 megahertz processor, around 256 MB of RAM. Pretty average, I would say. If you're looking for an entry level phone, this is a phone you can consider. The build quality seems solid. The phone is quite sturdy in hand, quite easy to hold. And if you are sick and tired of carrying two phones, this is one smartphone which you can replace your two normal feature phones with at a price of normal two feature phones. Lite will give you a more detailed review very soon. Thanks for watching. This is Rohit Khurana signing off. For more such videos, do subscribe to our official YouTube channel, youtube.com/intellectdigest.